sit-down stretches. Stretches with Declan, that will be fun. Let's start by stretching right up to the sun. And down, 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 down. Up to the stars, all shiny and gold. And down, 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 down. Catch me some stars. How many can you hold? Up, 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 up. And down, 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 down. Now let's go flying up in the sky. Let's become planes with our arms to the side. Over the mountains, meow. And over the trees, meow. And over the lakes, meow. And over the seas, meow. Now we are sat back down on the ground, sharing big hugs all around. Time for a train ride, and the tracks are our legs. Going through bushy fields, let's reach up to see what's ahead. Up, 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 up. And down, 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 down. Arms up through the trees on our wonderful ride. Up, 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 up. And down, 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 down. Now let's shoot right up and say good day to you, sky. Up, up, up. And down, 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 down. Quick, legs in a row and point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Let's become butterflies with our feet stuck together and flap our bright wings in this beautiful weather. Flap, flap, flap. Hands in the air up to the trees. And down, 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 down. And can you touch some of the leaves? And down, 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 down. Soon they will fall, so catch me some right now. Up, up, up. And down, down, down. And down they come, right down to the ground. Now shake out your hands and shake out your feet. Shake out your head. And wiggle your nose to the beat. Shake your whole body all around. And thank you for stretching with us. We liked having you around. Bye-bye.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second.